Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to this channel. So in this video we'll complete storage code. So let's start. First of all, inside upload video to storage method, here storage slash plus name plus system dot current time is plus inside double commas dot mp4 file extension dot mp4, and remove these two lines storage metadata. And also from here, so we have two options: upload task and simple storage reference dot put file. So we'll use simple one, and inside put file we will use a URI. So URI dot from file and pass file, and inside upload video data to file store. Here we will create a new collection, storage collection. String push id equal reference dot document dot get id. Here we added already, so remove this line. Push id, uid name and video name. And after alert dialog dot dismiss with animation, here we will finish the activity. And here we will use ExoPlayer. I'll put the link in the description of the video. So copy the line, dependency line, and add inside build.gradle module level. Okay, paste here. And replace with latest version, which is 2.15.0. And also add this line, target compatibility. So we already added. Now click on sync now button and remove this video view. We will use ExoPlayer player view, width match parent, height wrap content, and id will be video view. And set the layout alignment center in parent true. And remove this video view object. We will use a simple ExoPlayer. And also remove all of this code. And here inside init method, ExoPlayer equal find view by id r.id.video view. Okay, we're using player view, so replace this with player view. And also import this ExoPlayer.setPlayer. Now create a player, a simple ExoPlayer. Simple ExoPlayer player equal new simple ExoPlayer dot builder dot build, and player dot set media item and media item equal media. Okay, import this media item dot from URI, and inside from URI we'll pass URL colon and remove this name, and also inside dot set player pass the player object and ExoPlayer dot play or player dot play, and also remove this variable video name key, and inside stories adapter we don't need this video name, and inside stories model remove this video name, and also from constructor and getter and setter remove these three lines, and optimize the imports, and we also don't need video name, and remove this parameter, and also string file equal file dot get name, and also from here simply system dot current time is plus dot mp4, and inside home fragment so here we added a dummy item to set a plus icon to upload stories, and here inside for loop, yes, inside this one stories. Okay, cut the code, control X, and also these lines, control X, and remove this code, and after on create method create a new method void load stories, and here we will use query query equal firebase firestore dot get instance dot collection which is stories, and query dot where in and field UID, and the second parameter is following list dot add on snapshot listener, new snapshot, okay, new event listener, and put a semicolon here and paste the code, control V, and following list is the list of string. Okay, here we did in the previous videos UID list which is following list, so here list of string, and name variable name will be following list, Okay, call the method load stories and pass the UID list. Now test the app. Okay, the app installed successfully. And now upload. Before uploading, add our own UID. Copy this and add inside following release. Okay, story uploaded. Okay, now open the story and wait for the loading. Okay, video loaded and played successfully. Yes, one more thing to do. Inside a story add activity, we will pause the video when we click on upload button. Here, video view dot pause. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video, we will start chatting code, our chat feature.